Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Prasad Indiga Wijesiri.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
How old are you?
I'm 41 years old.
What is your educational qualifications?
GC O level exam.
Okay. And what about your work experience?
I first work in Sri Lanka. Dev Kiannam joint venture Korean company. I work excavator operator and heavy vehicle driver. I work excavator Dev machine. After I private company work Hatton Samala Transport, excavator and JCB operator. After I go to the Iraq American military base, I work in excavator operator, crane operator, and heavy vehicle driver. 3 years working. Next, I work Qatar Al Khalish company, working excavator, loader, dozer, excavator for PC 400, PC 800, PC 1250 machine. After last time I work Africa, Equatorial Guinea, capital city Malabo. I work excavator operator, dozer, wheel loader, JCB, and boom truck operator. 2 years I work in Africa. After I come Sri Lanka, now I work private company, excavator operator.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.